I'm gonna go ahead and start a tutorial. I'm gonna do hooked on vinyl. I'm gonna wear one of the metallic lipsticks first, and then I'm gonna, when I take pictures, after I take pictures, I'm gonna change it to the teal one. First thing I want to say is these liquid cat suits, all of them were like the original ones from the fall mermaid collection, except for this one. This is not glitter at all. This is just a plain metallic. The other ones have super mega glitter in them, and this does not. So I chose this to use as a base color for today. That was kind of disappointing because these are a little bit sheer if worn alone. They're usually supposed to be worn with eyeshadow underneath, but I don't see the point of it if it's not going to give me the shimmer I want. The eyeshadow itself is pretty shimmery. So I'm going to go ahead and put that like golden color on my eyes. This color, by the way, is Shells and Whistles. And these shadows, I wouldn't say they're more pigmented. Some are not. Some are even less. So this new formula, honestly, don't see that big of an improvement. Except that those transition colors really soften the crease, which, especially for my age, I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the transition color now before I use the teal crease color. And I noticed, I heard somebody say, because I was looking at reviews, that some of these have a lot of fallout here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that transition color in the crease. And now I'm gonna go with that teal crease color. And I'm using a very, very soft, this is the MAC, I don't remember the number because it came off, but I'm using a very, very soft application. This brush is very, very soft. And just keep picking up more color. You know, maybe this brush is not the right one. I mean, it's not really putting a lot of color on it. Especially from my hooded eyes, I really need to lift that crease color. I'm gonna soften that out with the transition color here. Now I'm gonna go into the brow color. Since this is my first day back after a long absence, feels like maybe a month. I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible today. School starts in like 2 weeks. This is probably the first rest I've gotten. Really the only thing I like about that transition color is just that it softens the crease, but I'm wondering if it's softening it a little bit too much. I'm gonna try Toasty. I heard the improvement on these glitter. So the only improvement, this is Toasty, that I heard that these colors have is they do have more glitter, whereas the other ones were just gloppy gel. So let's see. I'm gonna swipe my finger across. It does seem to pick up a lot more. And then I'm just gonna tap it. It's very subtle. It is definitely subtle. And then just quickly show you the application of the lips. This is the new gel liner in I Got That Juice. I want to wear a metallic. Since my bottom lip is bigger, I now try to go a little bit above the top line. And I'm going to be using Life Is No Picnic. So the camera cut off just in time as I was just finishing trying to blend that liner in with it, the gloss. So I mean the metallic mask. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I have to say this side came out better than this side. I don't know, I'm just not so sure that that's a good transition color for this, or maybe it's just the brush that I use. Maybe it's just too soft. So I had a really hard time doing the other eye. I think this eye came out much better. One of the things I realized, glitter is just on top. Once you take off that glitter, it's just a cream shadow underneath. It's still 10 times better than the gel ones though that they had. They gave me this as a free mystery bundle, so I used that. Not really crazy. It was a little bit hard to blend. I think I blended this side better than this side. For blush, I use Apricot in the middle with Mai Tai Buy You a Drink. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that was everything I used. After I take pictures, I'm probably going to change the lipstick. The lip liner, I always have trouble doing this side. I think my lips are crooked, and this side I think is smaller than this side. I had a little bit of a hard time doing that, so that'll probably show in the pictures. And I used the teal eyeliner, liquid liner on top from the older ones from Urban Decay, and on the bottom my old Revlon teal eye pencil underneath. And then put a little bit of gold. I have a Revlon gold pencil. And so yeah, so that was it.